to fix login error in Skyscanner. First, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and simply tap on your Wi-Fi icon to turn on your internet connection. And this should solve your internet connection issue. However, if there's any login issue with the application, you can simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Tap on your iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Skyscanner application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.